Xiaomi introduced the concept of bezel-less smartphones to the world with the Mi Mix 1 in October 2016. Surprisingly, it didn't even take a year for companies like Apple, Samsung, Huawei, and many other manufacturers to offer bezel-less smartphones with more than 85% screen-to-body ratio. The Mi Mix 2 was more or less a sequel to the first-generation Mi Mix and offered slight internals and camera improvements. So here's everything that the third-generation Mi Mix 3 will offer. Mi Mix 3, the truly bezel-less flagship. The major highlight of the Mi Mix series is the nearly bezel-less display with more than 90% screen-to-body ratio. Well, the third-generation device that is the Mi Mix 3 will take the term bezel-less display to a new horizon. As we can see in the teaser image, the smartphone features a complete display with a pop-up camera module. This camera hiding module is undoubtedly inspired by the Oppo Find X. This teaser image was posted by Xiaomi's president Lin Bin on Chinese microblogging site Weibo. Furthermore, both the front and rear camera of the smartphone will be exposed once the rear side of the smartphone is slided in the upward direction. As far as display is concerned, the Mi Mix 3 will feature an FHD Plus AMOLED panel. This display will offer a pleasing aspect ratio of more than 19.5 to 9. The Mi Mix 3 could be the first smartphone with more than 95% screen-to-body ratio. Mi Mix 3, specifications and features. Xiaomi's new flagship smartphone, that is the Mi Mix 3, will be launched in October, and the device will pack powerful internals. The smartphone will be powered by the flagship Snapdragon 845 processor coupled with Adreno 630 GPU. Mi Mix 3 will offer a maximum of 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. We can expect Mi Mix 3 to inherit the same camera sensor as on the Mi 8. Consequently, the device will feature a 12MP plus 12MP dual camera setup. One of this lens will be a wide angle and the other will be a telephoto. USB Type-C will be the one and only port on the Mi Mix 3. This port will be used for audio out, charging, and data syncing. Last but not the least, we can even expect Mi Mix 3 to offer an in-display fingerprint sensor. The company's CEO Lei Jun posted on Weibo that he will make his colleagues to speed up the mass production to begin the sale of the smartphone by the end of October.
let's get it down.